Hey everyone, Stephanie here, and today I want to show you how you can consistently make money trading Forex without blowing your account or losing more than you make. Now, my goal from this webinar is to show you that the only way for you to have consistent, profitable trading success is by entering your trades at the right time, going in the right direction with precision. Now, the only way to learn how to enter your trades at the right time, going in the right direction with precision, is through our lovely tool called the Harmonic Scanner, which I'm going to show you using our optimal entry strategy. If you stay until the end, you'll be able to download the 5-step optimal entry strategy checklist for free. So, tell me, have you ever lost a trade when trading in the Forex market? Do you have a specific technique that you use that gets you consistent results? Are you happy with the profits you've gotten? If not, what stopped you from getting the results you want? If you desire to win more trades and start making more money, be successful and build generational wealth both at the same time, and if you've tried every strategy there is before with no significant results, guess what, my friend? You're in the right place. Now, my name is Stephanie Ray. I am the CEO of a nonprofit organization helping the youth within my community that me and my husband put together called The Ray Way. I am a currency trader. I am a YouTube educator, and I was a teenage mother that figured out whatever conflict stood in my way. And these are my babies and my husband in that picture. All right, so I have a confession. Yes, I have an advantage over most. I am connected to some of the most advanced and successful traders in the industry, and our network is helping people truly create their freedom lifestyle. So let me explain to you, I wasn't always a trader. I got to tell you how I basically started, all right? I became a mother at a young age, which caused me to not even start college, all right? I was managing working a full-time job, but not making enough to pay the bills. So I was living paycheck to paycheck while taking care of a newborn and dreaming of going back to school. Was I scared? Of course. How was I going to pay the bills? Uncertain? How was I going to provide for my family? Anxious? Of course. What was I going to do now and fast? All right. So I hit the rock bottom. All right. I felt alone and overwhelmed. I lost both of my daughter's fathers, one to the streets and the other to the system. I'm pretty sure people can relate to that if you grew up how I grew. I was living in the basement of a family member with my babies. I seemingly had no control over anything taking place in my life, and my self-esteem was beyond shattered. It was like, how could this happen to me, the person that is willing to take her shirt off her back to help others? Why was this happening to me? So I ended up reaching a turning point. I had tried numerous ways to make money online using my marketing skills. I dusted myself off. I said, I'm tired of playing the pity game. So how can I change it? So I was lucky that a good friend had shared with me a link that had introduced me to trading, but it was my mentor that shared more information on trading that had me intrigued. So I decided and I began my journey. I began studying, learning. I even shared with others, and we became a trading team. I started having some success, but there was still an underlying issue looming. So once again, conflict arises. I began to follow the leaders. In fact, way too many. I suddenly became confused. I wasn't sure what direction to go in, and my trades suffered drastically. All right. I blew accounts into the thousands of dollars and was fearful of returning back to that place of anxiety and lack of money. After doing this for about 8 months, I stumbled across a method that literally blew my mind due to its simplicity and accuracy, which is luckily called the optimal entry strategy. All right, I went from being stressed trying to trade every day for a few pips to trading for a few times a week getting 10 times the number of pips. I was no longer sitting in front of my computer all day, as now I could trade for a couple of hours and be done for the day. I stepped into knowing of what moves to make and being relaxed versus stressed about placing my trades. Now confident in my ability again, I believed and I knew I could win as well as help others build this same confidence and certainty with their trading. Now, I discovered this the hard way, but luckily for you, you get to cheat and get the easy way. So I know you're asking me, like, Steph, what is the hard way? So the hard way is searching for wherever and whoever will give you signals just so you can win and see some profit, but without knowing how to evaluate those signals. So the best way I explain this is, God forbid, what if something happens where that person gets sick, or they're not giving you signals every day? You're relying on that person. You have no idea on what you're doing. Okay, you hop from technique to technique, hoping this one will work, but not being clear on why certain techniques produce better results than others. All right, and following what everyone else in the market is doing versus doing what the smart, profitable traders are doing. It's a difference when you actually know what you're doing and you can trade with confidence versus taking a signal and not knowing why, when, how, or what made them even come up with the signal. Okay? So, do you want the easy way to catch more pips and make more money online? Over the past 2 weeks, I've consistently won 9 out of every 10 trades I take on average. That's 90%. Okay? I caught 97 pips on the optimal entry strategy. I'm telling you, it works. All right. This is our lovely Dina Lynn. She caught 137 pips off of the optimal entry strategy. This Philippa Moss, she caught 253 pips using this strategy. Now, let me be very clear. The results are not typical. There is no guarantee you will get these same results. It is implied that those getting results study, practice, and implement regularly and do not expect get rich quick. Now I'm going to show you exactly what you will learn, which is the 5-step optimal entry strategy. And at the end, I'm going to share with you some resources you can tap into long after we are done here that will help you sustain the success you'll be exposed to. So why it's important. Most of Forex information out there is segmented and delivered in bits and pieces, never to provide you with the full picture. Most traders are doing what seems easy, relying on signals, and that's not what profitable traders do, which is what you want to learn to do. How to trade with confidence, with precision, and know what you are doing. That is the ultimate goal. Once you discover this process, you'll never have to worry about whether you can trade again. You are set. The bag is secure. So, you may be asking, is this for you? If you're a person who understands that you must follow a set of proven to win trading instructions, guess what, my friend? This is for you. If you can follow directions, this is for you. If you're fed up with continually funding your account with more money than you are getting as return and you want to increase profits exponentially, this is for you. If you want to leverage a tool that many high-level traders use and just let it tell you when to get in, this is also for you. So let's dive in and show you exactly what the 5-step optimal entry strategy is. I'm going to break it down and give you the list of what each step is, and then I'll actually walk you through it. Okay, so step number 1, you have to wait for the D candle to close and confirm there is a wide opening on the Bollinger Band. The wider the mouth, which indicates profit potential. Step number 2, you have to wait for the next candle, meaning once the D candle closed, the next candle to form, you have to wait for it to break into the Bollinger Band shaded area. Now, If you are on a buy, you have to wait for the blue on a buy and the red on a sell to break into the Bollinger Band shaded area. And I'll give you an example of exactly what I mean when I say that. Step number 3, you have to verify that the RSI and the stochastic are above 80 on a sell and under 30 on a buy. Step number 4, you have to confirm that the stochastic lines have crossed each other. And step number 5, you have to confirm the blue stochastic line is pointed up on a buy or down on a sell. So this is what the harmonic scanner looks like. This is what you will see when you log in. You see you have the Bollinger Band. My RSI is on 14, and you also have the stochastic. All right. So this is the area right here where we want to focus on. This is an example of the optimal entry strategy. If you look, the D candle has closed. The blue candle has, the next candle, which is blue, has is within the Bollinger Band. If you look, the stochastic is below 30 and the RSI is below 30. Okay, so like we just said, step number 1, you have to wait for the D candle to close and confirm there is a wide opening on the Bollinger Band. The wider the mouth, the more profit. Okay, so this is an example. Now, step number 2, you have to wait for the next candle, blue on a buy, red on a sell, to break into the Bollinger Band shaded area. This is exactly what I mean, where it's circled and highlighted. The candle has closed. It's within the blue shaded area. Step number 3, you have to verify that the RSI and stochastic are over 80 on a sell and under 30 on a buy. This is exactly what I mean, where it says RSI, where that D candle is, it's below the 30, and on the stochastic, it is also below the 30. Right there, that's a perfect picture of exactly what I mean. Step number 4, you have to confirm that stochastic lines have crossed each other. That is exactly what I mean. If it's a buy, blue on a buy, it's up on a buy and down on a sell. Okay, confirm the blue stochastic lines is pointed up, what I just explained, on a buy, pointed up on a buy or down on a sell. So if you look, when those lines cross, that blue stochastic line is pointing up versus down. All right, so let's recap. The D candle has closed. The next candle to form has closed, and it's a buy, which is blue, and it's within the Bollinger Band. The RSI is below 30 and the stochastics are below 30. If you look at that, that is a perfect optimal entry. Okay, you were able to catch some pips, secure the bag. So let's talk about exiting. How do you get out? The safest thing you can do to get out of the trade is exit at the red line. Okay, that is your take profit, get out, secure the bag. All right, so this is our lovely Cassandra Sims. She used the optimal entry on GU and she hit take profit in 60 seconds. Okay, let me just explain the disposable income, because a lot of people have money and don't even realize it. You get paid, you pay your bills, the money left over is called disposable income. Most spend that on things they like and want, usually until exhausted. Then the money comes back in 2 weeks because you get paid again. Truth is, you should be investing some of that disposable income into things that add value to your life, like products, programs, and services that will actually help you. Now, the time we've shared, would you agree it's been time well spent so far? We can't cover everything you need in just our short time together. Believe me, even if we had all day, it still wouldn't be enough time. I'm now going to give you a special offer so you can get everything you need to know. And if you act fast, I'm going to give you a very special deal. Now, let me be very clear about this. Old habits die hard. I could leave now and go to the pool, as this is already working for me and my team. I don't have to share this. I can keep it to myself and just take profit and keep it moving. But knowledge is power. Like my mother said, in order to receive, you have to give, baby. All right. But it's not about me. It's about you. If you leave now thinking you learned something cool, you go back to the same routine, not getting the results you want, as your coach, I won't let you go back to your old habits. Let's make sure you successfully break them. You want real lasting change. That's what you'll get when you get started today. All right. And guess what? You will be thrilled to know your success is my goal. Now, I had to do some research and I wanted to find someone that everybody can relate to as far as understanding. And one of my mentors is the wonderful Tyler Perry. And Tyler Perry had something out that explained how he became a millionaire. All right. This man has a $400 million net worth. All right. And the things that he said in order to become a millionaire was you have to make a plan and raise your standards. All right. You have to immediately start a business and duplicate it worldwide. Stop wasting time on TV, games, dumb stuff, and people. And if a person doesn't have a plan, move on. Figure out a way to make 1,000 to 2,000 to 5,000 weekly. Save 40% of what you make and invest it. Stop buying stuff that has no value. Example is such as cars, clothes, dumb jewelry, etc. Don't get me wrong, people like nice things, but invest in your knowledge. Invest in yourself before you spend money on things that are materialistic. Education. Read books on the greatest people. Self-educate yourself. Learn something new daily. All right. Love to learn is what I live by. Stop eating bad foods. Eat organic only. Bad food changes your brain chemistry. A lot of people are not aware of that, but this is what Tyler Perry did in order to become a millionaire. All right. Now, success starts with you taking the first step. And I actually want to congratulate you because you took the time out to do something different. You took the time out that is going to help you in the long run invest in your knowledge, invest in your financial freedom. So congratulations. Okay. Here's what I got when I signed up with iMarkets Live. All right. iMarkets Live is something I am so thankful for. The premier Forex education and software provided in iMarkets Live is where I have literally learned how to trade and where I've gotten access to tools such as the harmonic scanner that has allowed me to start winning more trades, be successful, and make more money. Okay. Now, iMarkets Live was founded back in July 4th of 2013. It's operating in over 120 countries. It's privately owned and debt-free and solid leadership team. Okay. This right here are the lovely founders. Christopher Terry in the middle. He is the Chief Executive Officer. He is the one who got everything started. He put this together, him and his wife, who is next to him on the right, Isis. She is a Chief Financial Officer. They are actually married. They're husband and wife. These two came together, and with the help of these three gentlemen, Ivan, Alex, and Jason, they created iMarkets Live. And I'm telling you, this is an environment to educate, empower, and enrich. All right. These are the lovely creators of iMarkets Live. All right. Now, within iMarkets Live, you get the harmonic scanner. You can get the IML Academy, where you actually get over 100 plus videos of education on how to trade, how to get started, what to look for, everything. The IML TV, where you can actually get live trading from people that are actually succeeding, that are actually profiting, that are actually growing, that are actually doing it. Like, this is a beautiful thing. You get live training on the foreign exchange and cryptocurrency mentorship. You get the Night Owl session. The Night Owl session, you learn from a 25-year veteran Learn in a fun, interactive environment, and you receive email updates. All right. You also get the Pip Talk, which comes with IML. You get exclusive trading community. You can get trades from your favorite educators and receive personal training in a learning environment. All right. Now, if you're ready to win more trades, walk away from your job, increase profitability. Let's go back to that. If you want to increase profitability, live your life free, spend more time with your family, trade less and make more, build generational wealth, this, my friend, is specifically for you. All right. Here's another testimonial from my lovely Johnny. He actually used the optimal entry and he caught Euro JPY on a buy. And when I say she is rolling, you see what he put. Patience, grasshopper, patience. All right, this strategy is working. Here's another testimonial from the lovely Keisha. Keisha actually caught 81 pips using the optimal entry strategy. All right, so here's what you're going to get. You get the harmonic scanner, the IML Academy, IML TV, night owl session, Pip Talk, and this, my friend, is a value of over $10,000. All right, now I had two choices. The first option was I could keep this information to myself, the information, tool, and company to myself completely, and not expose you to what's secretly been responsible for so many people quietly winning and making lots of money behind closed doors. My second option was share this strategy and educational platform with you and try to help as many people as possible. However, most people don't do what it takes to make more money. They just say they want more. A lot of people can talk the talk, but the question is, can you walk the walk? So let me go back and explain to you what you're going to get. You get the harmonic scanner, the IML Academy, the IML TV, night owl session, Pip Talk, all over $10,000. Now, getting on board today, you also get the Dream Team training system. This is our bonus number 1. You get to become a part of the Dream Team community and support. Now, she came up with the price, and luckily for you, she only valued it at $47. All right. Now, this is only good for the first 50 people. All right. Bonus number 2, you get the exclusive Dream Team Hangouts where we actually trade together, so you never trade alone. This value is at $97. All right. And this is only good for the first 25 people who actually sign up after this presentation. All right. So let me go back one more time because I don't think you guys realize what you're getting here. The harmonic scanner, the IML Academy, IML TV, the night owl session, Pip Talk, bonus number 1, which is the Dream Team training system and trading community. Bonus number 2, which is the Dream Team exclusive team hangouts. My friend, this is a value over $10,000. Now, if all this did was improve your confidence so you were excited to trade and not be reluctant, would it be worth it? If it gives you more clarity on how to see when to get in at the right time, would it be worth it? If it helps you to win more trades than lose, would it be worth it? If it reignites your belief in your ability to trade and be successful with it, would it be worth it? Now, the information alone to be successful with this, you're going to need more information, hands down. You will have questions. You will need accountability. You can't do it with just a few YouTube videos and some downloads. All right, believe me, YouTube cannot explain what iMarkets Live can. The information alone won't cut it. You need a guide who can help get you from where you are to where you want to go, and that is what iMarkets Live does. You can see why it's a good deal at $10,000, right? Here's Bonnie. She caught 28 pips using the optimal entry strategy. Now, the total value of partnering with me and the Dream Team in iMarkets Live, which includes the harmonic scanner, all the other tools and resources, and all the bonuses, is over $10,000. You could, if you didn't want to become a part of iMarkets Live, just get private mentorship from Christopher Terry or Robert Kiyosaki. Most master traders charge $2,000 or more for their one-on-one time. Christopher Terry, our lovely CEO here, charged between $5,000 and $10,000 for 3-day weekend workshops. Robert Kiyosaki charges $50,000 to be a student in his Forex educational platform. With the high income potential in Forex, people gladly and willingly pay them. All right, so I have to show you my ironclad guarantee. Before I give you the price, if the discount and the bonuses aren't enough to push you over the edge, I have something else for you. Now, if you're not satisfied after applying my 5-step training, you are guaranteed a 7-day, 100% money back guarantee. All right. Now, everybody is like, all right, Stephanie, all right, tell me, what is the price? All right. Naturally, if you implement everything I just shared with you, you'll see amazing results in your trading. And that's why you should enroll in iMarkets Live right now. But I'm not going to charge you $10,629 to get started, okay? Now, the regular price is just $497. In fact, we're only going to charge you $225 as a one-time fee and then $165 a month. Whoever brought you to this presentation, get back with that person now in order to get started. If I brought you to the presentation, as soon as it's done, get with me and we can get you started immediately, okay? Now, these are our optional add-ons, okay? You have the Gold Cup, which a lot of people are loving. The Swipe Coin, if you're into crypto. We have the Higher Forex, the Levels, the Swipe Trades, the Pivots, the Bounce Back, and the Web Analyzer. These are additional add-ons that you can get when you become a part of iMarkets Live, okay? Now, bonus number 3, the Virtual Trading Summit video series. All right, the 5 top IML master educators are revealing trading secrets not shared with general IML membership. That is the beauty of becoming a part of the Dream Team. Now, this is only available for the first 10 people who actually join today. Bonus number 4, you get the Dream Team Harmonic Scanner 30 Trade Challenge. All right, starts your first week. Take at least 30 trades using the optimal entry strategy within your demo account. You track your results, and we offer you a free trading journal. You get a team-guided and facilitated environment so that you actually know what you're doing. And it's designed to show you how to cover your monthly prescription. This is only available for the first 10 people that actually join today. All right, now you can get started now for just $225 as a one-time fee and then $165 monthly. All right, here is another testimonial from our lovely Diana. She caught 60 pips using the optimal entry strategy. Now, you have 2 choices. Option number 1, do nothing and not take this leap of faith, which is 100% risk-free. Option 2, pony up this tiny investment today compared to all the value you'll get in return and just give it a shot. What if it works? Great. If not, you get your money back. You know, what more can you do? What more damage could you do? Now, luckily for you, if you introduce 2 people, it's 2 and free. You won't have to worry about paying your monthly membership anymore. All right? Now, the real question is, which kind of person are you? Are you a doer or a dabbler? Dabblers love to sit and learn, but rarely do anything and often look for excuses not to move forward. Doers at least try and usually get ahead in life. So here's what I want you to do next. I want you to get back with the person you're supposed to call now and get started. And let me explain this one more time of what you're going to get when you get started today. You get the Harmonic Scanner, the IML Academy, IML TV, the Night Owl Session, Pip Talk, bonus number 1, which is the Dream Team Training System and Trading Community, bonus number 2, which is the Dream Team Exclusive Team Hangout, bonus number 3, which is the Dream Team Virtual Trading Summit video, and bonus number 4, which is the Dream Team 30 Trade Challenge with a trading journal. All right. This is a value of over $11,000. All right. If you didn't sign up immediately, you're probably thinking one of two things. First, how long will this take for me to make some money? Don't worry. Most have learned how to do this in about 1 to 2 hours, and we're making money within their second week. All right. Second, how can I cover the monthly fee? If you commit to our 30 trade challenge, we'll show you how easily it is to cover the $165 a month, $6 a day within 3 weeks. All right. That's $165 a month. Now, I am nothing special. I have no supernatural gifts. I actually struggle with managing being a mom and having a business, but that's what I love about trading with the harmonic scanner. I can trade and be a mom on the go who never misses a beat. Now, let me go back one more time because I don't think you understand the clarity of everything you're going to get when you join with iMarkets Live. You get the harmonic scanner, the IML Academy, the IML TV, the Night Owl Session, Pip Talk, bonus 1, 2, 3, and 4, which is valued over $11,000. All right. Here is another testimony of someone that is actually a part of iMarkets Live, someone that is actually using the optimal entry strategy. Our lovely Shahida, who caught 29 pips. All right, and then 39 pips on another pair by using the optimal entry strategy. All right, now trading can be fun and profitable. Who doubtlessly now believes you can trade your way to wealth? And as you can see, all these people, after going through the training, after becoming a part of iMarkets Live, all agree that anyone can do it. All right, including me and myself and you. You can do this as well. If you are one of the first 5 to enroll in iMarkets Live tonight before this presentation is over, you'll get special access to a private video interview that the lovely Tracy Walker did with the man who grew his account $15,000. $1,500 to over $35 million in just 19 months using the same optimal entry strategy. Okay? That is at another value of $297 that you are going to get absolutely free if you join tonight. And when I tell you it's worth watching, whoo. All right, so get started now for just $225 at one-time fee and then $165 monthly. All right, now here is my special gift to you for making it to the end. You actually get to download the 5-step optimal entry strategy checklist, okay? At that link right there, optimalentrystrategy.com. That is my gift to you where you can actually take this strategy and use it with you as you continue to learn. Congratulations, you have watched this entire presentation. And now you want a consistent and proven way to trade that makes you money. And you know this is an excellent value. So take advantage of this incredible trading platform and the amazing bonuses, okay? Get started today for $225 and $165 a month, and I will see you on the other side.